AWS Cloud Shell makes it easy to securely manage, explore, and interact with AWS resources directly from a browser. In this demo, we'll learn how to launch a new Cloud Shell environment and use the available features to help us focus more on building our AWS resources and less on maintaining our local machines. To get started, we simply click the AWS Cloud Shell icon in the top navigation bar from any supported region. In just a few seconds, we have access to a Linux terminal with a wide range of pre-installed tools, such as the AWS CLI and the AWS Elastic Beanstalk, Amazon Elastic Container Service, and AWS SAM CLIs. The shell environment is pre-configured with our AWS credentials, allowing us to seamlessly interact with our AWS account the same way we would using the AWS console. Let's use the AWS ECS CLI to create an ECS cluster. We also have the programming language runtimes and AWS SDKs for Python and Node.js built in, as well as the ability to install additional software as needed. Here, we've just installed the AWS Cloud Development Kit globally and used it to initialize a new application. Any global changes we make to the operating system will last until our Cloud Shell session expires, even if we exit and return to Cloud Shell before it times out. But we have 1 GB of persistent storage available in our home directory that will still be there when we launch a new session. And of course, we can download our files from Cloud Shell to use locally, or we can use the AWS CLI to back them up to Amazon S3. We can also use this space to store additional user scripts and configuration preferences to automatically customize our environment the way we like it. For example, if we prefer Z-Shell over Bash, we could modify the file .bash_profile in our home directory to switch to Z-Shell when we open a new session. We could then install one of the popular Z-Shell configuration frameworks and customize it to our liking using various plugins or themes, just as if we were working in a local shell. Visit aws.amazon.com/cloudshell to learn more about how you can make it part of your toolset today.